Article 11. The Spaniards residing in the territories over which Spain by these treaties or frequencies their sovereignty should be subject in matters civil as well as criminal to the jurisdiction of the courts of the country wherein they reside pursuant to the ordinary laws governing the same, and they shall have the right to appear before such courts to pursue the same course as citizens of the country to which the courts belong. Article 12. Judicial proceedings pending at the time of the exchange of ratifications of this treaty in the territories over which Spain relinquishes or cedes her sovereignty should be determined according to the following rules. Number 1. Judgments either in civil suits between private individuals or in criminal matters before the date mentioned and with respect to which there is no recourse or rights of review under the Spanish law should be deemed with a final and shall be executed in due form by competent authority in the territory within which such judgments should be carried out. Number 2. Civil suits between private individuals which may on the date mentioned be undetermined shall the process judgment before the court in which they may be pending or in the court that may be situations before. 3. Criminal actions pending on the date mentioned before the Supreme Court of Spanish against citizens of the territory which by this treaty ceases to be Spanish shall continue under its jurisdiction until final judgment, but such judgment has been the execution before should be committed to the competition authority of the place in which case occurs. Article 13. The rights of property secured by copyrights and patents acquired by Spaniards in the island of Cuba and in Puerto Rico, the Philippines, and other ceded territories at the time of the exchange of the ratifications of his treaty should continue to be respect the Spanish scientific, literary, and artistic works, not subversive of public order in the territories in question should continue to be admit free of duty into such territories for the period of 10 years to be recorded from the date of the exchange of the ratification of this treaty. Article 14. Spain should have the power to establish consular officers in the port places of the territories, the sovereignty over which has been either relinquished or represented by the present treaty.